Hello guys, welcome. In this video I will show you how to use find command with sudo right to escalate privilege in vulnerable system. So let's get into the tutorial. So you can see here that during my enumeration, so just giving sudo -l, I found that find command has sudo rights. So the find command is a basic command in Linux which is used to find text, directories, files by just running source through the whole system. And also we can just execute commands using find. So what we need to do is, we need to use sudo with find and just execute a shell with it. Let me show you how to do it. Just type sudo run with find. This slash will just give the directory to find. You can just give a period also. But then after, the important part is you give this exec flag. This will execute the command. So what we need to execute is a bash. To do that, just type bin/bash. Now it will execute bash, and we need to end it with this backslash and semicolon. So I add the semicolon and backslash. It's because semicolon kind of ends the command executed by exec, so it need to be skipped with backslash. Okay, let's run it. Okay, I just gave the find, not find. Need to change that. Okay, now we got a root cell. We can see here we are now a root user. So that's how we can use find to escalate the privilege. This much in this video. See you in next one. Okay, bye.